Hey everyone! If you've just subscribed to Amazon Prime Video but it's not working, don't panic. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription in just a few simple steps. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be streaming your favorite shows without any hiccups. First things first, let's start with basic troubleshooting. Sometimes the fix is as simple as logging out and logging back into your Amazon account. This refreshes your account settings and often resolves minor glitches. Next, double check your payment status. Make sure your payment method has sufficient funds and that the subscription fee was successfully deducted. If there's an issue here, Amazon won't activate your Prime access, so it's a critical step to verify. Our Prime Video still isn't working after that, it's time to contact Amazon support. Open any web browser and search for Amazon Prime Video Contact Support. Click on the Prime Video Help link and look for articles titled Videos Not Working After Subscription. Sometimes the solution is in these articles, but if nothing helps, go ahead and click Contact Us. To get assistance, you'll need to be signed in to your Amazon account. Amazon offers live chat when available, and email support is another option. Explain your issue clearly, and they'll guide you step by step to get your Prime Video back up and running. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix Amazon Prime not working after a subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you're still having trouble. We'll figure it out together. Happy streaming.